Welcome guys, welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, big up on yourself anywhere I watch from. So guys, right now I'm in St. Elizabeth, one place I'm calling Mountainside. Yeah man, so need to check out them places very close to the Treasure Beach area, also to Black River Lovers Lake. So enjoy the tour of Fire Reid. So if you're new to the channel, if you learned something about Jamaica, you know what to do. So keep on watching guys. I'm very close to the Mountainside Primary School, which is on your left. Yeah man, so anybody who watch from the Mountainside Primary School, just like up the video man. Free of cost, free of cost, free of cost. One love and one heart again, people. So guys, yeah man, so Mountainside, so tell me what you think about this area guys. So if you make the right turn guys, will take you all to Big Hoods, also to Brooklyn. Yeah man, them place them Parkley. Tell us a Jamaica street people, just know it with Fire Reid. And in Mountainside area guys, we have a lot of bars. Yeah man, you can come and have a drink. Very nice bars. Sports bar also guys. Yeah man, so big up on yourself again. You know, so in the countryside, we see a lot of trees like mango tree, guinea tree, breadfruit tree. No place like the country. Country is the best. So guys, when you're in the Mountainside area, yeah man, you need to check out Sweet Tropics Bar. Yes man, it's a sports bar, very nice bar. So you need to check out the bar there. On your right, you have the Infant Mountainside School. Guys, this is the bar I'm talking about. Sweet Tropic Sports Bar. Very nice bar guys. You need to check it out. Yeah man. Big up yourself sweets anyway there. One love and one heart. No say I always watch your channel. Big up yourself girl. So we're going towards the Mountainside gas station guys. You know in Mountainside we have also our supermarket, farm store. So when you come in the Mountainside area guys, you need to check out the farm store, also the supermarket. Some of the times it's not only Santa Cruz or Black River or Junction. You need to check out the Mountainside farm store. Very reasonable. Yeah man, so a lot of time you forget things in the town area. But when you come on Mountainside, you still can check for it guys. Yeah man, on your left you have the post office in Mountainside. On your right you have the gas station. Also the farm store is on your left, and the supermarket is also on your left guys. So I'm gonna keep right. If I did keep left, I would go to Black River Vineyard, also to Savannah. But the route I'm taking will take you all to Round Hill, Knoxville, Mountainside, lock over them place the guys. So big up all the Round Hill massive them. Big up on yourself. On your left, you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church of Mountainside. So guys, when you're in the Mountainside area, you can get a nice view. Up in the Monroe side, you can see the windmill them. Very, very nice view, guys. So when you're in the Mountainside area, it's about roughly 15 minutes drive to Santa Cruz, 15-17 minutes, depends on where you're coming from. Like from Mountainside Square to Black River would be a 10-minute drive to Black River, guys. So guys, we are going to Round Hill area, guys. Yeah man, so you know in Round Hill they also have a car wash. Yeah man, a car care is right there. So that car care can do a lot of things there, get a lot of stuff from there. So you need to check out them car place on Mountainside. What if you're going on the road, you chop a tire in that area, remember that our service station is right around there. We can get your tire fixed. Also your different parts. So big up yourself Zane, big up yourself youth, one love and one heart, big up yourself. So we are coming towards a car wash in the Round Hill area, guys. So I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek over there, guys. Yeah man, so you can see where I go and see how the car wash set up. And also beside the car wash, we also have a restaurant. Then there are a lot of different types of food, breakfast, lunch and dinner, guys. Yeah man, so in the early morning getting a breakfast, lunch and dinner. Big up yourself Stacy anyway there. Don't know, so you set the kitchen the right way. Big up yourself Stacy anyway the yard or brand. Big up yourself Big Chef. Big up the chef in the restaurant the same way. Don't know you can do your thing, hot and spicy, original barbecue, your choice. You can check it out right there, guys. In Round Hill, guys, you have a Spenless nightclub on your right. If you make the right turn, go up that road there, you go to the Spenless nightclub. Yeah man, so if you want to come to club, I think it open from Tuesdays to Sunday. Yeah man, so check out the nightclub now. So in a Round Hill, guys, when in a Round Hill, you can get a nice view if you're on the hillside over into the Black River area. So big up all the Round Hill massive them, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. So guys, you can indicate where you're watching from, and if you like something about this area, You can indicate also and tell me where you're watching from. Yeah man, and also share the video. Also like it free of cost. Jamaica still nice man. Yeah man. So guys, when you're in the Round Hill area guys, you also can come to the Twinnies Nail Spa. That's where you can get your nails well done, also manicure and pedicure guys. You need to check it out. Yeah man, job well done. So if you're going to they do wedding function, party, they also do appointment, so you can reach out to them and they will do the necessary. Big up yourself, Twinny. Yeah man, keep on doing the good work you are doing. Know no stuff. Always soon work. No handiwork. Yeah man, so big up on yourself, girl. So guys, the shop on your right, you call it Marcus shop and also Marcus Lane. Also on your left, that's where you have a Maras. Yeah man, you have a Maras. So a lot of people don't know what is a Maras. So you don't know, so the Maras is a muddy. It's a muddy thing. If you walk in the Maras, it'll leave some mud on your foot and it's very soft. So yeah man, so on your left is a Maras. A lot of farming doing the Maras so yeah man, them plant them greens, them callaloo and cabbage. So when you know you farm at the Maras, you're proud of them. Very very big. Don't know what kind of soil, but something about that soil in the Maras area guys. Just something about that soil. Yeah man, that is the Ken Youth shop. Ken Youth Knickknacks. Yeah man, I think that is the Maras Knickknack, something like that guys, but I don't know exactly the shop name. So guys, we're now in the Knoxville area guys. Yeah man, Knoxville in St. Elizabeth. Big up yourself, Mr. Brown. Big up yourself anyway there. So guys, when you're driving in this area, you have to look out for potholes. A lot of dangerous potholes on the road. Don't want to chop a tire. Road is very bumpy guys, very very bumpy. And also a hardware in this area guys, Wind Knickknacks. Yeah man, they also have a hardware in this area guys. We are very close to the Knoxville Basic School. Yeah man, so anybody who watch this and they know them go to Knoxville Basic School, big up on yourself. Yeah man. Remember, our lady them call me Miss Calder. Mostly our lady they teach a lot of people all over the world. Pick up yourself, Miss Calder. Now you pass on gone, now pick up yourself. On your left, that's where you have the Knoxville Basic School, and also big up all the persons who donated to build the Knoxville Basic School bus shed. Yeah man, so them care for them kids, so when them go home at evening time they won't get wet in the rain. Big up on yourself, and we're now approaching the Knoxville corner. Guys, this corner is a very dangerous corner. So when you're not coming to that area and you don't know the area, careful of that corner. Because a lot of person coming with speed and don't even know say it's a corner right here, so you gotta be very careful. And also in this area you have a barber shop. Big up yourself, Tony. Yeah man, them barber they are cheap from a long time now. So big up yourself, Tony. So if you don't want, you don't here for chim, you also do appointment. So you need to check out Tony Barber Shop. Big up yourself, Barber. Hope if you see that video, yeah, big up your nights. Give you a shout out. And Barber they are chim for a long time, guys. Always give me a very neat trim, very fast. Big up yourself, Tony. Keep on doing the good work you're doing. One love. I'm very close to the Rock Entertainment Center. Big up yourself, Ricky. Big up yourself. Yes, so the Rock Entertainment Center. You all can, if you wanna keep a party or anything, you also can come to the Rock Entertainment Center. Just talk to the boss if you want a place to rent or anything. Yeah man, big up yourself, Ricky. Yeah man. Man, they have a lot of vision, you know. I always look out for the youths them. Big up yourself, Ricky youths. Big up yourself. So guys, yeah man, big up yourself, Nadine. Big up yourself. Anyway there, if you see that video, yeah, big up yourself. Also in this area guys, you have a cash pot shop. So if you want your phone card and also your cash pot battery, it's right on your left right there. Tell them it's a Jamaica nice. Countryside is the best. St. Elizabeth, we all know, is a bread basket. St. Elizabeth is a very nice parish, guys. Very nice parish. So we're having some nice weather today. Very nice weather today. So we're heading towards Orange Grove. Yeah man, them call the place, them call him Orange Grove, you know. So guys, just can share the video for me, please. Share it. If you like it, free of cost, just like it. Like up the video, like up the video. Your Jamaican tour guide, Fire Reid. This is where I do a lot of driving video to different areas, rural areas, because a lot of vloggers them bypass the countryside, them, you know. All the focus on the town side. What about the country area, guys? Yeah man, country also beautiful. It's not only the city alone is beautiful, it's also beautiful in the countryside, guys. Country, you have everything in the country, you know? Everything there country. Yeah man, so we are now in the Orange Grove area, guys. Welcome to Orange Grove. So guys, we are very close to the Savannah Sports Complex. Yeah man, Savannah Sports Complex is coming up on your left. Also over the Savannah Sports Complex you also have a car wash. Yeah man, big up yourself Rusty and big up yourself Dean White. We have 2 car wash in that area guys. You can check out Dean White and Rusty. Dean White do a lot of car cleaning of seats. He do a very good job, so you can check out Mr. White in this area also. He do the interior of the car, very neat, very clean, and also Rusty. On your left, this is where you have the Savannah Sports Complex. Yeah man, big up yourself Billy. Oh, you pass and gone, but your name still live on. Big up yourself Billy, anywhere there. Big up yourself Omi. Big up yourself Omi, yeah man, big up yourself. That is one of Jamaican tour guide also. He tour every place in Jamaica. So if you need a tour with that guy, just reach out to Fire Reid and he can give you the link to Omi. Yeah man, big up yourself Omi. The man they know Jamaica inside and outside. On your left, we also have a Nick Snacks on your left. Yeah man, so big up yourself Vern. Yeah man, so when you come to Vern shop you can get everything what you want. Yeah man, so big up yourself Vern. And also in Savannah we also have a guest house in Savannah. So if you want a place to stay away from home, you can come in the Savannah area. We also have a guest house in Savannah. Yeah man, so you can stop in the area in case something can happen. You still can book a night and spend the night. So the guest house is right here on the left. Yeah man, so you can check out the guest house in a Savannah guys. Work just like an Airbnb. You can spend as much night as you want. And also in this area I have some top mechanics. Top gear garage on your left. Yeah man, big up yourself Greg, big up yourself Fiver. Yeah man, them man they fix car and bike. It's well done, you know. So big up yourself Greg, big up yourself Fiver. Big up yourself Marcia Nick Snack Shop. Right on the hill in the Chopper Hill area guys. Big up yourself Marcia. So guys, someone requested this video, so I'm gonna try to cover it as best as possible. So guys, we are now in the Savannah area, Savannah St. Elizabeth. Yes guys, on a Sunday on your right, yeah man, I have curry goat and fried chicken every Sunday. Big up yourself brown man, yeah man, one of the nicest curry goat on a Sunday in Savannah guys. So we can check out brown man curry goat shop on a Sunday. Yeah, I tell you so that area is very. And also in Savannah, we also have an Airbnb. So the Airbnb is right on your right. Yeah man, it's an Airbnb, so you all can check out this area. You can book if you want. Yeah man, so you can check out the Airbnb online for the Savannah area in St. Elizabeth. And also close beside the Airbnb you have a restaurant. You can have your Devon House ice cream right there. And from the Airbnb it's about 30 minutes drive to Cheddar Beach. Also 15 minutes drive to Black River and about 10 minutes drive to Santa Cruz, guy. Big up yourself, Jeff. One of the taxi driver that was safe, drive safe on the road. Big up yourself, Mr. Jeff. And also, this is the restaurant here, right on your right, that sell their Devon House ice cream. So guys, you can check out for part 2 of the video. Yeah man, so you can check out for part 2. Yeah man, from Burn Savannah. Yeah man, so check out for part 2 of this video.